Alright, we're working in Illustrator with the basics again right now. So, I'm going to show you how to use the blending tool, the blend tool, right here, located here. What this essentially does is it allows you to blend shapes to one another. So I have my star here that I made with my perspective grid, which is a really cool tool. If you didn't see that tutorial, check it out. But let's say I want to bring this square and I want to blend it so that it creates this. It blends into this star here. I also want to show you with color, so we can work with color. But it's a red square. I'm going to choose my stroke, which is going to be blue. And let me increase the stroke size, located right here in your stroke palette. This will allow you to increase the stroke size. Okay, and then I have this one. We're gonna go back to my color palette. We're gonna choose red, and then I want to actually choose a color here, green for the stroke. I wasn't paying attention. We'll go green and blue, and I'm gonna also increase my stroke size so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, all right, so I'm going to blend these two images together. So first I'm going to click on my blend tool, located right here. The shortcut's W. And then notice how, I'll zoom in for this, but notice how when I drag this over a point, it turns black. You need to choose what point you want to start. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to come down here, and these are going to be harder to find. There they are. So this point. And watch what happens when I click. What, bam, it just blends nicely into the other image, into the color and everything. Okay, now there's two options for this. You can keep it like this is a gradual blend right here, which created this shape, which makes it look like this square is just coming out of the ground somewhere. Or if you double click on this, it gives you options here. So double click on the blend tool. It comes over here, it gives you options. Or, sorry, I didn't mean to click off. You can have it, right now I have it smooth color. You can have it specific steps, specific distance, whatever you want. Specific steps, watch what happens when I do steps. I'm just going to type in a number, so it's going to create a blend in that amount of steps. And you could either have it like pretty distinct aligned orientation, or it's going to be to the this is to the page, this is to the path. You can also hit preview if you want, but I don't have anything selected, so I can't really do that. But anyways, I'm gonna hit OK. So come in here, choose my points again, wherever I want, and see it does it kind of in a step motion. The stroke and the color will slowly blend into the star here. Now here's a cool trick too. Let's say I am not a fan of my positioning here. I can come in here, and right now if I just select, it's the whole shape, but if I come in with the direct select tool and I click on an anchor point, this will allow me to adjust it and move it around. Same with this. But what's even cooler is I could still come in here with my pen tool, and if you need pen tool instructions on how to use that, see my pen tool tutorial. But I can come in here and add anchors to this path, like so. And then I can come in here and I can adjust the angle of the star itself. And so you can kind of see, adjust the anchor. I could also, if I wanted to, come in here and adjust the shape itself, what I've done to the shape. But I have to have it selected, sorry. But come in here and adjust the shape. So subtract anchor points. But you can only do it on the shapes that you were working on. So let's go back in here and select this. So I can totally rearrange my shape that I had originally created. So that's a blend tool. It could be used for cool designs or patterns. I haven't ever really used it, but I love to play with it. But it could be used for a logo. This could be a snake. Look at it. A Chinese snake. Anyways, irrelevant. Thanks, guys.